So this is part 2 of the German national warning siren video. 11 o'clock on the 10th of September 2020. The sirens were tested. I didn't hear anything at all, nothing. And I didn't get an SMS on my phone. And radio and TV that I don't have, of course, I wouldn't know if they were interrupted. But anyway, we're now at 11:21 and a half, 30 seconds, because at 11:22, then the unwarning or all clear signal is going to be sent. This time I've installed the app on my phone, which is called Nina, which you need to know if you want to install it in Germany. And maybe this app will receive at least the end of the warning message in 8 seconds from now. So let's just watch my phone, let it go to sleep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So it's now 11:22 and the siren test is now over and the official warning has been ended and the signal has been sent via the designated channels. And that's not it. That's a delivery which I was expecting on time. So thank you for listening. Remember to hit the like button.